What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And as the OnePlus 12R is finally launched in India at a price tag of similar one to the previous generation as the OnePlus 11R at 40,000 rupees, let's take a look at the 5 reasons why you should consider buying the OnePlus 12R than any other smartphone in this price range. Now before the next video, if you're new here then do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So now that you've done that, let's get started. So the very first thing is indeed talking about its display. You can't go unnoticed about its display as the phone does come with a LTPO 4.0 panel, 4th generation of the LTPO panel, which can go your refresh rate from 1 to 120 at just a matter of its when you are using the phone. Now this is a major upgrade in any of the smartphone from the OnePlus previous generation from the OnePlus 11R, and thus the 4th generation of LTPO panel XDR display takes a better photos and looks better photos and also enhances the viewing experience. Also the OnePlus does promotes this smartphone with the peak brightness of over 4500 nits, which is not at all true. Obviously it's just for marketing, but overall the peak brightness of this phone is also very high at around 12 to 1300 nits. You can get easily with this phone and it's a great addition. Now the next thing if we talk about this phone is about its processor. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 was indeed the one of the greater processor when compared to the better processor when compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, and the phone also comes with LPDDR5X RAM and also has increased its vapor chamber for much more better cooling. Now it can give you up to reduction of 7 degrees of Celsius temperature if you are using the phone at the peak temperatures for a longer period of time, suppose if you are gaming or whatnot. Overall it will be giving you a better experience as well. Now the gaming experience if you are doing on the smartphone, then you also need a good battery life. Then the OnePlus 12R is the thing to go at 40,000 rupees. This phone provides you 5,500 milliamps of battery and it can gives you a 0 to 100 charge in just 26 minutes because it comes with a 100 watt of fast charging support. Now the phone also company OnePlus also claims that this can maintain the peak capacity of its battery for near to 4 years, which is a crazy thing to have. Now if we talk about the battery thing, then also the charging speeds, then the charger is included in the box. You get the charger, phone cover and the total flagship experience in this smartphone to have. Now overall this experience has not been lately seen in any kind of a flagship smartphone, so the flagship killer experience is going to be amazing on this smartphone. Next moving towards is about its camera module. The camera of this smartphone is a triple camera setup with a primary camera of 50 megapixel of Sony with OIS support, an ultra wide camera of 112 degrees of field of view, and a third camera is a macro lens. Even for that the number is also not being specified yet. Now apart from that, this camera is indeed taking a much better images when compared to the OnePlus 11R, and the phone also comes with Dolby support extras, and it also has an Oxygen OS 14 out of the box, and you will get 3 years of major OS upgrades in this software as well. Now apart from that, if you do a pre-booking of this smartphone starting today, then you will be getting a OnePlus Wireless Buds Z2 freebies. Now what do you think about this video? If you like this video, do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the very next one.